most leak-prone spots in a basement or foundation is the joint between the wall and the floor. Because they're two different pores, whether this is cinder block like we're looking at here with mortar joints, or if this were one continuous poured slab, there's always that joint between the wall and the floor, the vertical and the horizontal. Those are two different pores, and what happens is moisture, hydrostatic pressure will find its way through that joint between the two pores. Well, Ames has a solution for that. It's the Ames Contouring Peel and Stick Seam Tape. It comes in 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch widths. What we use the Ames Peel and Stick Seam Tape for is, first you would apply a coat of the Blue Max liquid rubber waterproof coating to that joint, extending it out about 2 to 4 inches out onto the horizontal and 2 to 4 inches up the wall. You allow that to dry, and again you apply that using a standard paintbrush. Once you've primed that with the Blue Max and allowed it to dry, you take the peel and stick seam tape. In this case we have the 2-inch roll, 2 inches by 50 feet. That has a fleece outer backing to it which will absorb the coating eventually when we put it into that joint. And a very, very adhesive elastic rubber backing to it. That peel and stick seam tape, after this is coated with Blue Max, is applied right into that joint between the two. So we've got two different pores here. That provides a waterproof gasket over that Blue Max sealed joint to reinforce the coating. Once that's put in place, take a simple blunt object like a screwdriver handle or a roller, wallpaper roller, and you just press that tape into place firmly. It'll conform into mortar grooves like we see there. It's very contouring. We'll contour over all sorts of uneven surfaces. Once we've done that, we've primed it with Blue Max, we've seam taped it. We're going to apply another coat of Blue Max over the top of that tape. So this is how you reinforce your horizontal meeting vertical seams on poured slab or cinder block walls, as well as any vertical seams in corners of the basement. And like I said, finally we just coat over that with Blue Max, and then we simply coat the entire wall with 2 coats of Blue Max using a standard paint roller. 2 coats of Blue Max at 1 gallon per 100 square feet per coat. And again, that's how you seal the joint between the wall and the floor in the basement using Ames Peel and Stick Seam Tape.